Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. If you've ever shopped at IKEA, you know they offer amazing products. But what happens if something doesn't work out? Today, I'm going to explain IKEA's return policy in simple terms. We'll cover everything you need to know, including returning items with or without a receipt, how to return opened items, what to do with damaged products. So, let's get started. If you're not 100% happy with your purchase, you can return new and unopened products within 365 days with your proof of purchase for a full refund. But what if you've already opened the product? No worries. IKEA also accepts returns for opened items within 180 days, as long as you have your receipt. Refunds are always made using the original form of payment. So, if you paid by card, bring the same card with you. Now, let's talk about exceptions. Unfortunately, IKEA doesn't accept returns for plants, cut fabric, custom countertops, or as-is products. Also, items that are dirty, stained, damaged, or modified from their original form cannot be returned or exchanged. So, keep that in mind before heading to the store. Lost your receipt? Don't panic. IKEA might still be able to help. If you paid by card or digital payment, they can look up your transaction. You'll need the store location, date of purchase, transaction amount, and the last 4 digits of the card you used. If you're an IKEA family member, your receipt might already be saved in your account. Just provide your member number at the time of your return. What if your item is damaged? For the fastest solution, visit your nearest IKEA store with the damaged item and your receipt or order confirmation. If you can't visit in person, you can contact IKEA's customer support center at 1-888-888-4532 for assistance. Having your receipt or order details will make the process much smoother. That's everything you need to know about IKEA's return policy. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more easy to understand guides. Thanks for watching and see you next time.